Alright, hello fellow Evo enthusiasts. Gold Coast 4G63 here, Jared, and I know it's been a hot minute. Hopefully you guys have been keeping up with the reels or shorts we've been putting out to keep the channel going. I have the beautiful Evo 10 behind me, my partners. Let me just flip this around for you. So, yeah, the last proper video we actually did was a reveal video for the Evo 10. As you can see, she's looking mighty fine still. Just hit 12 months ownership. I think it's either today or tomorrow. So, yeah. We actually haven't done anything mod-wise. We've just kept it pretty simple. Just maintaining it, keeping it nice and clean. We did put some weather shields on it. I got some custom number plates for it, for Storm. And the next thing we'll be doing is coilovers. So yeah, slowly getting there. But the main point of today's video is now we've finally got a microphone, guys. I wanted to give you guys a good look over my Evo, how it's looking. We've got some new wheels on it. We've had a lot of refreshes going on it, so I'm going to run through all of that. And we're also going to give you guys a nice sound of how the exhaust sounds, how the blow-off valve sounds, since we've not had a microphone since we got everything done engine-wise a couple years ago. So let's do all of that, shall we? Yeah, pretty keen to get into it. So, yeah, let's do a basic rundown. Okay, so first things first, our latest swap. We got rid of the Evo 8 Enkeys, and we got ourselves some Evo 9 Enkeys. These are absolutely beautiful. Like, they're not perfect. They've got a couple little scuffs and stuff in them. I think someone's tried to repair them a little bit, but overall, they're pretty good. And I paid 900 Australian for these with 90% tread on all 4 tyres. So I was absolutely cheering. Very, very happy. I thought that was just a really, really good bargain and couldn't have been happier. And as you can see, we have also swapped over to this beautiful OEM Evo 9 rear bumper. Absolutely love how much better that makes the rear look. It's just next level. And moving over to the front, while it was in the paint shop getting the new rear bar painted, I figured why not get the front bumper, because it's looked rough ever since I got it 4.5 years ago. Let's get it freshly painted. And as you can see, the guys at Hills Bodyworks, just outside of Brisbane here in Queensland, did an immaculate job. We got ourselves a new front lip. That was a whole another kettle of fish. Actually acquiring that, I will go into detail in another video in the future. But we've got the carbon fibre air ducts that we added after we got the fresh paint. But not only that, as you can see, these look really good. Really happy with how these came out. But we finally upgraded that horrible, horrible number plate bracket, guys. Like, I don't know if you ever saw it, but it was the cheapest, shittiest bit of plastic. It wobbled something chronic. This thing from, I think it was Shift Performance, does not move at all. I think it was 250 bucks. It was a pain in the ass to get the old one off and put the new one on, but well worth it. And it looks so much better. Okay, so now we're actually in the Evo. No real major upgrades on the interior, guys. We have added this beautiful carbon fibre overlay for the steering wheel. Makes a huge difference. Oh, no. The old mongoose is quick to arm the system. Yeah. But yeah, just got her back from service from the good people at Step Up. She's running pretty smoothly. AFRs are sitting pretty now. Yeah, really good. So let's go outside and I'll give you guys a sound. I'll give you guys a listen of how it sounds on the outside of the car, because the idle is really, really good. It's nice and lumpy once it's fully warmed up. And hopefully with the new microphone you guys can tell how much louder the exhaust is. It's got a really nice lumpy idle to it now. I'm just hoping that picks up well.